I have trying out this Panasonic bath fan. There's the model number. You can see it's about 13 by 13 for the outer grill. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty big size. And what's interesting about it is it has two different speeds. I've got it set to the high speed. So I figured I'd try this out before I rip my ceiling apart, right? So I got a little mock-up here with also another fan for comparison. So let's plug it in. I plugged it in. It takes a second for it to come up to speed. A couple seconds. All right. You can hear it's increasing. It's pretty quiet though. Still coming up to speed. Kind of interesting. I think that's about it. Now, I'm going to take this off. That gives you an idea of what it sounds like. You can see the flapper there. Now, let me turn on this thing for a comparison. Turn it off. It's pretty quiet. Let's take a look in here. If I can get this thing off. You can see its operation there. And here's the little speed. You can go down. In the low speed, it's super quiet. But flip it up. Anyway, it's a lot more quieter than my 40-year-old fan I currently have, which sounds like a buzzsaw. So, hope this helps.